Hey guys, Nicole here. Samahan niyo po ako guys because today I want to give you the most updated construction update here at North Orchard Residences, Barangay Quezon, Santa Maria, Bulacan. In terms of location po guys, we are very near Bocaue Exit and Walter Mart. So going to Quezon City and Metro Manila, it's so easy. It's just minutes drive, and of course the subdivision itself, it's a non-flooded area. So guys, watch out because at the end of this video I'm going to show you not just the sample computation for an 80 square meter lot, but also our corner lot available with 187 square meter. Like really, it's big lot area, corner unit pa siya guys ha. And I will show you that sample computation dahil nag-iisa lang po yun. Alright? So, stay tuned. In terms of construction update guys, sa part ng amenity area natin, meron na rin po silang ongoing dito. Pakita ko lang po sa inyo guys yung progress nung... Ayan. So, I believe that's our clubhouse, guys. So, ongoing construction na siya. Tapos, meron na rin tayong mga tenants here or mga residents here, rather. So, marami na pong mga nakalipat. Ayan. Continuous po yung ating construction. Ito, nakikita nyo to guys, tong part na to, diba? Ayan. So, construction update, mas marami na pong mga itinatayo dito. Yan. Kasi ang process dito, pag nag-full down payment, wait mo lang mga after few months kung ready na yung block ng napili mo, ano siya, i-award siya sa contractor na gagawa ng unit. So, katulad nito, yan, mga na-awardan na, nag-uumpisa na. Yan, katabi siya ni block 11. Tapos, dito guys, ano na tayo? May community na rin po tayo. So, pakonti-konti guys, may mga lumilipat na po. Meron na pong nakatira dito sa North Orchard Residences. Sa mga naghihintay pa lang po na ma-awardan or ma-start yung kanilang unit, diba? Wait lang po natin. Pero alam nyo guys, pag natapos siya, ang ganda tignan ng community. Kasi ang yung design ng bahay, ang elegant. Tapos 'di ba free gate and fence. Pag lumipat ka, yung ganyang level taas ng gate and fence, 'di ba kasama 'yan sa sa turnover niya, guys. Kaya ayan. Yan. So we're just gonna have a little stroll. Diba? While I wait for my client here, pakita ko lang kayo ng construction update here at North Orchard Residences. Ganda oh! Oh guys, so diba sabi ko sa inyo, bibigyan ko kayo ng corner unit mamaya na sample computation. So dito guys, ang status dito, pre-selling tsaka ongoing construction. Okay? May mga soon to be RFO. So, depende yan guys. Pag nag-tripping kasi doon natin makakita kung ano ba talaga yung mo. Gusto mo ba i-cash mo na yung down payment? Gusto mo installment? Ano ba yung plano mo? Yan. Ang ganda nung gawa nung bahay guys. No? Ang ganda nung color combination niya, di ba? Very elegant. Di ba guys, no? Oh, ayan, no? Ito, habang ginagawa pa lang yung unit, ayan, nakikita nyo yung kanyang construction update. So, ayan guys, nakikita nyo naman our project update. Gusto ko magbigay sa screen, papakita ko yung sample computation ng minimum lot area natin. Ayan guys, ha? So, pag minimum lot area 80 square meter, yan po yung sample computation. And I also want to give you sample computation kapag naman big lot area, yung corner lot na available. Ayan. So, for updated inventory guys, since everyday nagbabago yung inventory natin, you just have to contact me directly. Strictly no walk-ins. Bawal po mag-walk-in dito. At least one day before magpa-schedule kayo sa akin ng tripping kasi 30 minutes drive lang naman ako dito from my residence area. And mention nyo lang, i-chat nyo ako, let's talk through Viber and WhatsApp 0917-114-2422. Ayan guys, para masendan ko kayo ng sample computation, 'di ba guys? At yung mapa if ever. Pero maganda makapag-tripping, pero online reservation pwede din dito. So online reservation or on-site office reservation, no problem. Alright? So, yun lamang guys. I hope to see you all soon. Let's schedule our tripping here at North Orchard Residences guys, na unti-unti nang nagkakabuhay. Nakakatuwa naman, di ba? At least. So, there you have it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel para lagi kayong updated sa mga updates na ginagawa ko sa lahat ng Bulacan projects. Thank you everyone and I hope to see you all soon. Have a nice day!